Hi everyone, just come to share with you a traveller's notebook sized folio that I've made, and I recently watched Andrea, who is ARTYmaze. She's done step by step on how to make a folio, so obviously I haven't done the same measurements as she has, because I've done mine as a traveller's notebook size and hers was a little bit bigger. So this was really fun to do, and it kind of took me back to my mini album days a little bit. Haven't made a mini album in absolutely ages, but this was fun. Really enjoyed the process. And then Andrea's Junk in the Trunk, which is number 5, she had done some using packaging and some other elements, and she'd made some kind of journal tags, so I kind of used that concept. I didn't use the same colours as she did, but I kind of used the same concept because I wanted to do she done hers like blue, she done hers like a green and a yellow, and I've done mine a blue, because the kit that I've used for this again is from ARTYmaze, and it's the Nature Walk. So and we'll get into it now that I've spoke long enough. So it has a sari silk ribbon wrap around as a closure. This is the front cover obviously, and it's got some hessian on the back. There's some I didn't use packaging, I actually just used some cardstock and I doubled it over so it's nice and thick, and then there is scraps of paper that have been like decoupaged on, and then I used other scraps to decorate. And I've used this image from the kit excuse me, from the kit as the focal point. There is some mesh bling here, and there is a butterfly. This is from one of ARTYmaze's freebies on her website, and I backed that onto some cardstock and then I glittered it up a little bit. Timeless Treasure, again, this is a freebie on Andrea's website, and then there's a little bit of hessian back here as well. So the wallpaper that I used I got from the range as just a sample, big sample. And I've done the same kind of thing as Andrea has done in hers. I'm going to have to show you the back of this first. Everything's all flipping out. So that is the back. It measures 8 1/4, and when it's fully opened it measures 16 3/4. So let me try and put this back without getting in a right muddle. There we go. Right, so the traveller's notebook is in here, and we will start with this page here. So it's just a single pocket here. It's all been backed. The printable papers have been backed onto cardstock before putting on. This actually weighs, it's quite a heavy little book. And we've just got some tags in here, a tag from the kit, stamped tag, and a little envelope from the kit there. There's nothing inside there because it was getting a bit bulky. I've just put some crocheted trim here. There is another pocket here, and this flips out like that. And in the top, in between here and here, there is a pocket as well. And then we have this tag. I've just put some crocheted trim there. Journal card from the kit. A little envelope from the kit. Is there anything in that? No. So I think I've used the journal cards for the envelopes. I've used throughout the journal, the folio and the journal. So that's that. Here, this. Making sure I'm in frame now. This page here is, whoopsie, is just generally for writing, because I've used the ledge paper from the kit, and we have a pocket here, and then I've just put some lace trim there that would also double up as a pocket, and that just pops in there. And yes, I've lost the paper clip now. There it is. So, whoops, that goes in there like that. So then we have here, that's the tag in the middle of these two, so the pocket there, another pocket here with some of this lovely trim. and this paper is one of the backing papers from the kit. We have a large tag, another stamped tag, a double little journaling card there, and a little envelope with an owl, and that pops in there. Here we have another pocket, and I've put the lace on and left it so that it can be a pocket as well. So here is just some scraps, and I just made a little booklet so you can write on that. There's another tag, large tag from the kit with the owl, and another large tag to write on. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So that flips. Move it along. I'm going to show you this back page before I show you the journal. Then we have again a pocket in the back with some crocheted trim, a tag from the kit, stamped tag, another little booklet just with some scraps. Keep them scraps, make little booklets, little envelope again with an owl, and that just pops in there. So this is the journal, and you can see it's attached using elastic, and obviously you can take this out and work on it separately from the folio. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set that to one side. So I've made a double pocket on the front. I haven't done a lot to this because there's a lot going on in the folio. So we've just got a double pocket on the front. You can find this template on my blog, which is linked below if you want to use that for your projects. Just backed it with some of the paper from the kit. Got a stamped tag there with a hummingbird, and another stamped tag with a bird on a branch. This is from the kit, and then we've just got a little flip out there for journaling. So let's go inside. We've got a pocket in the front here, and we've just got a large journal card, some ephemera, whoopsie, some ephemera, another piece of ephemera, another little flip out that you can write on, and then just a little postcard there. This is from the kit. I believe this comes in 2 sizes. You've got the normal journal size and the Traveller's Notebook size. I've just used, there's 4 pockets in this. We've got a tag here, some journaling cards from the kit, and a little double mason jar there to journal on. Some music paper, the stenciling, paper from the kit, a doily, paper bag, a pocket here with the tag, journal card, another journal card. Everything's from the kit, apart from some of the vintage looking ephemera. That was just already sitting on the side, and I just popped that in there. Sorry, there's just some spongy bits on there from the dauber that I've used. Another pocket here. The tags are blank, there's no stamping on them, but they have been stenciled and inked up. So we have them journal cards there. I love the bee. I'm going to be making a Jane Austen journal after this, and then I'm going to make another bee journal. I do like the bees. And a pocket there with the tag. Some stamping and stenciling in the background, and then another double little mason jar. And that all pops in there. And then, oh, love the owl one here too. I wanted to keep, I didn't sew on some cardstock to the back of this because I wanted to keep the birds on there, and I thought if I used it as the front cover then it was going to cover it over, so just left it as is. We've got the pocket, some ephemera, some more ephemera, another little flip out journal space, and a little postcard. So that's the journal, and I will pop that back in there. So like I said, this was inspired by ARTYmaze, and if you haven't already watched her tutorial on this, then I'll link it below. And she's also got her Junk in the Trunk, which I'm loving them at the moment. The last two I've kind of had to have a go at making, and that is what the last one was, well, similar to that. This will be listed in my shop, and the link for that will be below as well. If you have any questions, fire away and I will try and get around to them as soon as possible. Hope you're all having a great day, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.